Just a short little video that I put together while I was putting this credenza side table together for our studio. Having fun with the camera. Just thought I'd share. So PC, they say short side, supposed to be up, which it's on the top right now. But I'm going to keep the groove in the back, which puts the nut in the board on the other side. So you can see that spacing here is not correct either between those two. So do another piece, other side, in, and then this is the long side here. So when we take a look at it, the holes are not high enough. So this piece is put in wrong. Probably upside down. Nice. Thanks, guys. One thing they don't tell you in the instructions is you'll probably end up with a gap right here when you first assemble it, because the hinges are set at factory stops, right? So you can adjust that with the screws on the inside. So you can adjust that with these screws here on the inside. Voila, much better.